my bike.
That's it. The other guys will roll out here with you all.
Not in your armpit.
I don't know.
Tight.
Yeah, it's your shoulder, dude.
Get it down further.
Nice and tight.
Get the butt down further.
Oh!
Get the butt down.
You gotta put it down. There you go.
Not on the bike, though. There you go.
Get some.
Cock it.
Got it back.
Oh, yeah.
Reload.
Damn it, that should fucking hurt.
Oh.
How you gonna do it from the hip?
Oh,
That one surprised me earlier.
Like Rambo style.
It's gonna fly back.
Like say hello to my little friend.
Alright. Come on, dude. Let's go. Reload.
Somebody's cow.
Reload it.
Through the window, D.
Why you don't let Fife fire this shit?
Hey,
Oh, shit. You can't even reach the window.